Hello from Farland. Well, this is a view you don't often get, so I thought I'd give it its due respect. It's been a while. I've done a few things down here, and I'll show you what I've done. So let me, give me a second. I'll take the camera off the tripod and I'll show you around. This is kind of minor, but I have a couple of cars getting gas in the fueling station, service station. I think you've all seen my lighted shell sign. That's a model power kit. I don't remember offhand what the number is, but I'll put it in the description. I don't know if you've seen my little telephone car or not. I don't know if we can get a close-up or not. Over here, I've been working on some cable trunking. One thing I don't know is if the orange tubing is at all flexible. I'm assuming it's flexible and I'm treating it like cable, but I don't know that for sure. And nothing's permanent there with that, so I can always change it. So far I've got cable trunking running along here. You can see cables in there. Trying to feed everything. And I wanted to jump up and get on the, get over to this track. I wasn't sure how to do it, so I just put some of what I think is flexible tubing. Cables there. I know I've seen it, but I don't remember for sure what it's like. So the cable trunking then continues along here, where I have, in order to keep the clearance from locomotives and overhanging vehicles down, I have to hop up, and I've got it going. It goes all the way up to here. That pin is holding it down. I glued that in just a little while ago. That is the piece that you're going to see me make right now. to talk a little bit about points, turnouts, switches today. In fact, the switch is this part right here, where you can switch the rails from one direction to another. The switch rails here and here, the stock rails that don't move here and here. This is what's known as the crossing, and this little pointy piece down here is the nose. These bent rails here are the wings here and here. And then your check rail or guard rails are these pieces that run along parallel to the stock rails. And what they do is they keep the wheels, they keep the flanges from moving off the rail, so the wheel stays on it. Normally, train wheels don't use the flanges much. Normally, the wheel just rides on the rail, and the wheel is cone-shaped, so it finds center between the two rails and rides along without ever touching the flanges. That's on a real railway. Models, I think the flange gets used more than on an actual railway. There are various kinds of points, and we'll get into that next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye from Farland.